You'll defrost meat in 5 minutes. Quickly and easily. It's the perfect trick when you need to make dinner at the last minute. I'll show you how to defrost meat in 5 minutes. I'll take the meat out of the bag. I'll show you that it's frozen. Normally, defrosting would take at least an hour. Pieces of pork neck or pork loin, and even a whole piece of meat, need a lot of time after being taken out of the freezer before you can start frying or cooking them. But that won't be necessary anymore. This method of quick meat defrosting is a tried and tested trick. My whole family uses it. And despite the meat being truly frozen, it will be ready for further processing in just a few minutes. And the best part is, you only need 2 ingredients for this. And that's enough. Any frozen meat will defrost quickly. You'll be able to easily separate it and prepare dinner from it. Pour 2 liters of water into a container. The water should be at room temperature. It shouldn't be warm, let alone hot. Now it's time for the most important ingredient. It's vinegar. You can adjust the amount depending on the amount of meat you need to defrost. The more meat you have, the more vinegar you pour into the water. The second important ingredient is salt. For this portion of meat, I'll use a tablespoon of salt. Wrap the meat tightly in a bag. Place it in the water. Put something heavy on top so it doesn't float. I'll use a hammer right now. Take the meat out after 5 minutes and see the result. It's almost hard to believe that the meat is defrosted in just a few minutes. It was primarily the vinegar and salt that made the frozen meat soften so quickly. See how simple it is? You can start making dinner